Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 4 and that will see exercise 2.2. Here they are asked to find 8 by 3 multiplied by 4. You have to find this one, the value of. So this is going to be, because this is multiplication, so this you have to multiply 8 into 4. So this is 32 divided by 3. So this you can see this is the improper fraction. So we'll make it to mixed fraction. So 32 you are going to divide it by 3. So that will be 10 integers 2 by 3. Now again for this one, this is going to be 26 by 5. So again 26 you will divide by 5. So that will be 5 integers 1 by 5 because this is again an improper fraction. This will be 21 by 5. So again this is improper. So that will be when you divide it, you get 4 integers 1 by 5. Now here, this what we can do for this problem. We can simplify it. 4 ones are 4 5s are. So this is going to be 15. Here they have asked find 1 by 2 of 48. So 1 by 2, same thing I have written here. 1 by 2 of 48. Of means that is a multiplication. 1 by 2 multiplied by 48 and then you are going to simplify it. So this is going to be 24. Again 1 by 2 of 36. This of means multiplication. You have to do this step, not directly simplify. So this will be 18. 1 by 2 of 102. Again this is multiplication. So 1 by 2 into 102. So this is going to be 51. 1 by 2 of 998. So 1 by 2 into 998 means you are going to simplify this one. So this will be 499. Find 4 by 5 of 35. So 4 by 5 of 35 means this 4 by 5 will be as it is. This will be multiplication and 35. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So this will be 4 sevens are. That will be 28. Then again 4 by 5 of 60. This is the same. This will be multiplication. This is the same. 5 ones are 5 12s are. And this will be 12 fours are 48. 4 by 5 of 105. So this is the same. This is going to be multiplication. This will be 105. So this will be 21. So this will be 84. Now 4 by 5 of 1500. Same. This will be multiplication. And this is going to be 1500. So that will be 1200. Now here they have said express 1 by 4 of an hour in minutes. So you will write 1 by 4. So you have to convert that in minutes, take hour in minutes. So you know 1 hour is half an hour. This is this will be 1 hour. That will be 60 minutes. So you will write it directly 1 by 4 of 60. Rest all the same thing. You will do like the previous one. This will be multiplication into 60. So whatever the answer you get, that is going to be in minutes because you already converted here in minutes. So that is going to be 1 into 15. That is going to be 15 minutes. 2 by 3 of a year in months. 2 by 3 of a year means 1 year. You're going to convert it to months. So that will be 12 months. So 2 by 3 of 12. So this step is very important. So 2 by 3. This will be multiplied by 12. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So that is going to be 4 twos are 8 months. 5 by 6 of a day in hours. So you know 1 day of a day means this is going to be 1 day. We are going to convert it to hours. That is going to be 24 hours. So 5 by 6 of 24. So this is going to be multiplied by 24. So 6 ones are 6 fours are. This will be 5 fours are 20. This is important. You have to write that unit whatever it is. That is in hours. 3 by 4 of a rupee in paise. So 1 rupee is 100 paise. So here you will write 3 by 4 of 100. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 100. So 4 ones are 4, 25s are. So this is going to be 75 paise. Now here 9 by 14 of a week in days. So of a week. So 1 week has 7 days. So that will be 9 by 14 of 7. So this is going to get multiplied here. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So this will be 9 by 2 days. So this is again an improper one. So we'll make it to mixed fraction. So 9 divided by 2. So this is going to be 4 integers 1 by 2 days. 2 by 5 of a minute in seconds. So this is 1 minute will be 60 seconds. So 2 by 5 of 60. So this is going to be same. This will be multiplication. This will be 60. So 5 ones are 5 12s are. So this is going to be 24 seconds. Now you have to just find out the product. So year 4 will be as it is. Now this is the mixed fraction. You have to make it to improper. So this will be 64 plus 1. That is going to be 65 by 8. So you will simplify here. 4 ones are 4 twos are. That is going to be 65 by 2. But then this is the improper one. So when you divide it, you get 32 integers 1 by 2. Again here, this is the same. This is going to be 35 plus 2, 37 by 7. So here you cannot simplify it, then you have to multiply this. This is going to be 111 by 7. So when you when you divide this one, because this is improper, that is going to be 15 integers 6 by 7. Again here, this is the same. This is going to be 18. 18 plus 4, that is going to be 22 by 9. So this ones are, and this is going to be just 22. And the 6 and 7 question is just very simple one. Just that is a diagram you can see in your book. So you can do it yourself. So by this one, I have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.